Good afternoon. After opening the week under pressure, the Aussie has led a risk offensive today. That was after the release of the Chinese HSBC flash manufacturing PMI data. The Aussies made a convincing break up to through the 94 figure and remains well bid around that 94.15 US cent mark. It's of course contrary to the moves we saw on Friday, which saw the taper trade once again guide the US dollar higher. This was after FOMC voting member James Bullard flagged the potential for the Fed to begin tapering in October. So we begin the week with mixed signals in terms of risk sentiment ahead of a number of key data points to watch out for. In the context of the Fed's next move on stimulus, markets will of course be looking to the US data pulse in an effort to gauge the risk of an October taper by the Fed. It'll be interesting to see if the good news is bad effect once again helps the greenback and hinders risk barometers such as the S&P 500. So key data to watch out for is of course the US housing data, consumer confidence, durable goods, GDP, personal income and spending, and of course the closely watched University of Michigan consumer confidence data. They're all very important economic indicators for the US economy. Across the Atlantic, Europe starts the week with what appears to be political closure in Germany, with Chancellor Angela Merkel winning another 4-year term. Germany will also be the focal point this week in terms of data, with manufacturing PMI, the IFO series data, and certainly CPI on the docket. Across the Atlantic, we'll be watching for the final revision to second quarter GDP on Thursday. Over to Japan, and we'll get a glimpse on whether or not Abenomics has infiltrated the Japanese economy with August inflation on the docket. Certainly looking at markets at the moment, we can see this Aussie dollar's well bid, as I mentioned, about 94.15 US cents. Looking at the euro, nicely bid above that 135 figure, and yen slipped a little bit today, the dollar yen pair at 99.1 yen to the dollar, and lastly cable sitting around about 160.15. Trade safe and enjoy your week.